guys, welcome back to the vlog. My name is Lex, and in today's video is my version of an August reset video. Honestly a montage, but overall it's all that I am aiming to continue to do. You know, we can't never just like go on a regular walk. Like you always gotta stop for grass. Did your dog do this? Oh, and he's 2. So yeah. The good news is it's not raining. It's not hot. Slightly muggy, but you know. Finally decided to walk him today. It's Wednesday, so it's been raining all week since my birthday. That was Saturday. And it's supposed to rain again today, but not tomorrow, but Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So yeah, probably won't have any more footage of me walking him because you already know. Like, alright y'all, I lied. It's starting to get hot now. I think like the sun is slowly starting to peek out, but thankfully we're almost home. So I will see y'all back at my desk. Bye. As much as I thought. That one is cooking. The hardest Okay guys, so I'm not making like a really big smoothie because usually after like I walk Blaze, like I just want to sit down, cool off, and then I'll figure out what I want to eat for breakfast later. So that's why it's not going to be that big, and that's why like there's literally no protein in it, because I normally eat eggs and bacon or eggs and sausage in the morning, like a double protein and probably like a protein yogurt. But yeah, this is just my little appetizer. So let's make this smoothie. Gotta unplug the air fryer. Oh, it did not break. It did not break, you guys. Unplug the air fryer. If not, you know what, you guys, I've never used they have like plugs everywhere, but like I have never used the one over here. It makes way more sense, but like we just put like all our Ninja products over here. So let me try this one over here. I don't know why that has never dawned on me to like use the outlet that's right there, that's closer. Thanks for waking up with me, because yeah. All right, let's make this smoothie, you guys. I'm just gonna turn it on. We already know how to do this, so. Alright guys, so it's just a simple smoothie. It has mixed fruit that has like peaches, mango, pineapple, and strawberries in it, and then like a handful of frozen blueberries. So yeah. Pour it up. So cheers. It's not really cheers yet, huh? Okay, you guys. And also this is a 20-ounce cup by me, of course. And yeah, so I did about 10 ounces. That's crazy. I get up here one time for the vlog and I get shells all up in my egg. That's crazy. I mean, all the shells out. Oh my god. Got a nice little breakfast here. Everything gets seasoned. Everything gets seasoned, every layer type of deal. And I don't know what it is, but they add nutmeg to cream, so that's my secret to that. Garlic powder. And the mignon. This is the true mignon. Someone couldn't say minced onion, so they said mignon, and I gotta call it mignon. I love using this griddle, you guys. Like, it, don't get it so it's not just for breakfast, you guys. Like, you can use this for dinner too. Like, we make our steaks up here, sliders. But we be cooking a lot up here, so don't be scared. Use your griddle more than one blade. Okay, so in the air fryer really quick, I did have a sausage. But I'm going, this is not gonna work. I'm thinking if I cut it down the middle. This is a hot sausage, by the way, you guys. So let me tell you about that lady at the daggone eye doctor place. She really tried to play in my face today, and I did not like that because I don't know where to put this right now. But yeah, she tried to play in my face because she tried to say that I didn't have the right insurance card. I'm like, ma'am, like with the particular type of insurance that I have, like I don't have a physical card. Like it's a known. There's no physical card. So I'm trying to explain this to her, and she's like, well, you can just call the 800 number on the back of your card. I'm just like, no, because that defeats the whole point of me. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm gonna turn this into a bagel, you guys. I'm gonna turn this into a breakfast bagel if you were wondering. But we will finish the talk about the crazy lady at the daggone eye doctor place when we get back to my desk. So.
You know, my brain works every day just to get.
But yeah, you guys, so that's normally what I do. In today's video, I just wanted to briefly, in a montage kind of way, all the things that I aim to continue to do for the month of August, as well as, you know, for the rest of the year. If you guys are interested, this is my 20-ounce tumbler in Rainbow Leopard. I just love this vinyl. So if you guys are interested, my website will be linked in the description box. I feel like this isn't even doing anything, you guys. So much better, you guys. So yeah, anyways, I hate when my freaking septum ring is crooked. Anyways.
Talk street art, sarcasm, crash humor and half laughing. Peach color moon glistens the plot thickness as we laugh over shotguns and tongue kisses. Talk about you for damn, and would you rather? No flame, the thrill and no shame. Drug, sex, and Polaroid, pick a star in the sky. We can both say goodbye.